Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving east on Blue Lagoon Avenue in Seafort Community, Hellshire, Portmore, St. Catherine Parish. Turning onto Seawind Avenue. On the left is Ocean Drive. Seawind Avenue ends and just ahead is Ocean Drive. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.